Well, let's have a look. Could be a load of bits in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, yep. Oh, there we go. Good. LED lighting. Ooh. Oh. Decent thickness. Very nice. Very nice indeed. What do I spy down here? Nicely bent. Well, look at that later. Black snow plows. Something else I see down in the corner there. Broken something or other. Ooh. Oh yes. Window from somewhere. Okay, keep that. Add that to the collection. No chance in there. Let's have a go. Let's just see if we can. Ooh. Patience. Aha. Well, that's a little work out of the box. Never mind. Now, where's that broken? Aha. A hole. There's the rest of the smashed windscreen. Funny looking things. Oh, I'm going to pop it off its plinths. Don't look at the state of my cradle. Decent sized speaker in there, or switches for my batteries. Do a few close-ups. See much in there. Let's have a look inside. See what room we've got. How do we get in? Yeah, we've the two larger screws from the bottom. I wouldn't have done that bit. Two screws at each end. Also, two screws below each bogey. Presume it's that one. That one. 8 screws. Okay, let's go. Rather pleasing to see how big these screws are, rather than the minuscule ones we normally have. Better screwdriver. Right. We can let that. There we go. Right. What's plugged in? Well, more room in there than I thought. Battery conversion will be a doddle. Here's the dummy plug, lock sound L socket. I would try to go in there, but the only one I've got is class 50 and we can't have that. It'd be an insult to the Clayton or to the 50. I'll let you decide. We'll have a closer look, I think. LED boards here. Motor. Fan motor, that is. Where are the flywheels then? It's all nicely labelled for us there because there's a decoder socket. Look at this wiring. Wow. Oh. Well, they're going to have a motor and a shaft drive. Motor up here and a shaft drive or something. Who knows? I can use that room for radio gear and other stuff. Here's the fan regulator. Yes, quite encouraging amount of space in there. Excellent. Just noticed the screws to release the cab, so I'll look inside there and see whether we can maybe use the floor for maybe hide a few cells in there maybe. Ooh. bit optimistic probably, I suppose, that, expecting that to come off. Something tells me. Clips here. Clips. No, no clips, just... Ooh. Aha. Oh, there's quite a lot in there. It's going to focus. Are you going to focus? Are you going to bother focusing? Thank you. So you could take the tank off, and then you could release the cab from without taking the body off, possibly. But having said that.